Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have Python and pip. Now start Jupyter. Open a terminal in your project folder, type Jupyter Notebook, and press Enter. The server will launch and print a local URL with a token which the browser will open automatically. If it doesn't, copy the http://127.0.0.1.8888/ token link into your browser. Once the browser shows the dashboard, you can create a new notebook. Make sure to note the kernel dropdown. Now work inside the dashboard. Open a notebook and practice cell operations. Create a code cell, write a print statement, then press Shift+Enter to execute and advance. Observe outputs and errors inline. Use markdown cells for headings, lists, and formulas. Press M to convert a cell to markdown, then run it to render. If you need packages, run pip install package in a cell so the kernel uses them. Once done, save often with Ctrl+S and check kernel status at the top right. Finish by saving and exporting your work. Use file right arrow download as to get IPNB, PY, or HTML copies for sharing. When ready to stop, shut down the Notebook tab and stop the server with Ctrl+C in the terminal. If the kernel becomes unresponsive, restart it from kernel right arrow restart. This clears state but preserves the file. If startup or execution fails, check the terminal logs for traceback. Confirm the active Python environment and restart Jupyter. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.